Let's go, man. There we are. Whew, nice and comfy. Put her in gear. Here we go. Nothing to it. Day. We're all set, we're all comfortable. Didn't see too many fish. Wind coming out of the north at probably 10 northwest, so probably not too good for fishing. But we're having fun. Check this out. God, I love it. So I've got it up to full speed a couple of times. Still breaking it in, but it's been over an hour. And they say to run it, I think, at full speed for a minute and then 3/4 throttle. So let's go. Yeehaw! It helps if I lean forward, it planes a little better. That makes a lot of sense. And I trimmed the motor down a little bit, just 1 notch, to hopefully get it to plane a little better. But we're cruising. That's full throttle right there. Yeah, it helps if you lean forward big time. Try and set up a drift over that. I might not have it set right, so let's get the good old kayak paddle out. But I want to get that moving water. Get this paddle out. Yeah, let's scoot over here. Good old kayak paddle. I just want to see if there's anybody right behind that line right there where that water's coming in. Snake out over there. Maybe stake out. I got my stakeout stick too. About 2 foot deep. Okay, so I wanted to set up a drift right where that moving water is. Trout and flounder love to sit right in here. I'm a little too close, but I use my stakeout stick. And this is the first time using it in this. But you can arrange it to where it fits over there, and it'll turn your boat. See the boat turn? Just like an anchor. But if you want to face this way, this is cool. It's kind of like an anchor trolley. So if you want to face that way, I thought about, I don't know, that works. Anyway, we're gonna see if we can get anybody in here. These are what's called the geotubes. They put these out here a long time ago to help preserve all the marsh areas. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's a little more windy than I'd like. Pretty rough on this thing in the open bay. That's why I'm sitting along these protected geotubes that they put here a long time ago. Fishing this little entrance right here. I was already working my way through here. Didn't catch anything, but I slowly scooted over here and I used this awesome stakeout stick. Oh my god, this thing is amazing. It's just like an anchor. I think it's called a yak stick. I had it in my other kayak, but man, you can just pull it up and then stick it down just to kind of scoot with the wind and just get this thing in the water right there. Hadn't had any. I had one nibble, and that's about it. But yeah, a little bit rougher than I'd like to be. That's all right. Oh, felt the bump. Is that a flounder? Nope. Keep trying. But we're having fun. Check this out. So let's go.